Oil continues to extend its rally and has already reached its two-year highs. This is quite surprising since fuel demand and the state of the global economy are much worse than in the pre-crisis period. Probably a decline in oil inventories and stable demand drive oil prices higher. Fresh data on oil stockpiles in the US will definitely influence some emerging market currencies. Let's have a closer look at this. Brent oil futures continue to fluctuate near the resistance level at $70 per barrel. The trading range is quite narrow. We expect the price to pull back from the resistance level. However, amid the coming news, oil may hold a bit higher for some time and then decline towards $69.25 per barrel. In an alternative scenario, the quotes may settle above the level of $70.50 a barrel for a couple of days. If so, the upward cycle may continue. Meanwhile, WTI crude is rising instead of consolidating near the current levels. As a result, the quotes moved above the level of $69 a barrel. Bulls still have to overcome a strong obstacle at $70, yet they are unlikely to succeed. Most probably the price will stay in the resistance area between $69 and $69.20 a barrel. In the meantime, the dollar-ruble pair is trading within the downtrend. Yesterday, the pair broke below the support level of 73.70, so the Russian ruble depreciated to the mark of 73.10. Here, we should pay attention to the area of 73 rubles per dollar. At this point, the number of short positions on the pair starts to decrease, yet market participants stay in the bearish mood. A new round of decline may start as soon as the price consolidates below the level of 73. A drop in the US crude reserves may also support this movement. On Wednesday, the ruble started a new cycle against the euro in the sideways channel between 89.20 and 90.36. As we can see on the chart, the price has broken below the lower boundary of this channel. As for the trading strategy on the euro versus the ruble pair, you should either wait for a pullback or trade on a breakout of the given boundaries. At the moment, the ruble has entered a new range between 89.50 and 89.10, so we can say that it's steadily regaining ground. Yesterday, the ruble advanced notably by moving to the lower boundary of the channel where it has been trading for several weeks. The reason for such a move was an overall depreciation of the US currency. Besides, the euro has also eased over the past 2 days, so the market was waiting for some kind of a pullback that actually took place yesterday. What's more, the ruble gained support from the data on business activity in Russia. Thanks to this, it can hold at the current levels. In particular, services PMI in Russia rose to 57.5 points against the forecast of 56 points. Today, investors expect to see positive data from the US labor market, which may allow the US dollar to win back its losses, so the ruble may have to retreat later in the day. That's all for now. You've watched Daily Financial News with me, Anna Kasatkina. Stay tuned.